Thank you for joining this lesson. We're going to look at transformations, actually successive transformations, in one question, number 20, whereby we are told that triangle ABC has coordinates A 20, B 22, and C 02. Using the grid provided below, draw part A, the triangle ABC. So let's start by drawing the triangle itself, ABC, whereby A is 20. So coordinate 20 is going to be here. Coordinate 20. This is our A. B is a 22. Therefore, 22 is the coordinate here. This is our B. Then finally, we have C02. So C is going to be here. That is coordinate C. When we join A to B, then B to C, we shall have the polygon constructed. Therefore, that is A to B, then now B to C, then now C to A to complete the triangle. Therefore, our triangle is there. So that is triangle ABC. After getting the triangle ABC, we now start transforming. Part B, we are told to draw again triangle A prime, B prime, C prime. The image of triangle ABC and the reflection line X equals to 0. Line X equals to 0 is the y-axis. Therefore, the vertical axis here is our mirror line, the line through which we are going to carry out reflection. So for us to reflect, we join points to the mirror line. For instance, with point A, we join it to the mirror line. So the mirror line is this line, the vertical line here. Then now we move an equal distance to the other side, as long as the line joining the point and the mirror line is perpendicular to the mirror line. Then if these are 1, 2 units, we also move 1, 2 units to the other side. So that's now A prime is going to be at this point. So that is our A prime. We also do the same for B. We join B to the mirror line such that this one is joined to the mirror line. Then we move to the other side. An equal distance, we have 1, 2. Then we move 1, 2 units to the other side. So this is going to be our B. B prime. So because C is already lying on the mirror line, then it is going to remain there. So C prime will just be the same coordinate. And now we join A prime to B prime. Then B to C prime. Then now C to A, so that we get our image triangle. So the triangle is now complete. This is the image of this one, reflection line X equals to 0, or rather the y-axis. Part C, what are we doing now? Triangle A double prime, B double prime, C double prime. The image of triangle ABC under rotation -90, center 0, 0. Therefore, center of rotation is 0, 0. The angle of rotation is 90. Therefore, what we do, when you see -90, it means 90 degrees in the clockwise direction. Therefore, we join A to the center, A to the center of rotation, which is the origin. Then now we measure 90 degrees in the clockwise direction because it is -90. So standing here, we measure 90 degrees in the clockwise direction. Therefore, from here, we measure 90 degrees. So 90 degrees is along this line. So we produce. And now along that angle of 90, we now measure the same distance from A to the center. I can see 2 units. So from the center to where A prime is, we'll have to move 2 lines, or 2 units, that is. Therefore, A double prime is going to be at that point. Something else we should do is we join B to the center of rotation. So we join B to the center. B to the center. Yes, B to the center. Then now from the center, we measure 90 degrees in the clockwise direction. Therefore, 0 should be at this point, so that in the clockwise direction, we measure 90 degrees. Therefore, we have 90 degrees at this point. 90 degrees at this point. 90 degrees. So that is my line of 90 degrees. So I now take this measurement from the center to B and bring it to this side, so that I may know where B prime will be. Therefore, along that line, I can see my B prime, double prime for this matter, is going to be at this point. So that is our B double prime. We connect B to the center, we measure 90 degrees, clockwise direction, we measure an equal distance. So B prime. Then finally C. So we join C. We join C to the center. Then we measure 90. So measuring 90 clockwise direction, we're going to move to this side. And our C prime is going to be at this point. C double prime. So now we join all the points A to B. So A to B, it's this line. A to B should be this line. A to B. Then from B to C. Then we join again from C to A, so that the triangle is complete. Therefore, the triangle is now completed. So we have A double prime, B double prime, C double prime. That is my second image. We also have part D, which is talking of the coordinates of triangle A triple prime, B triple prime, and C triple prime, the image of triangle ABC under enlargement, center 0, 0, scale factor -1. Scale factor -1. Therefore, we join points to the center of enlargement, because we are enlarging. So if it is A, we join A to the center, then we move to the opposite direction. And it is an equal distance. Therefore, A triple prime is going to be at this point, because we are moving from A to the center, then in the opposite direction, because the scale factor is negative, to the opposite direction, we shall move only that distance. So if the distance is this one, we just move an equal distance, and we'll find ourselves at A triple prime. B triple prime is when we join B to the center, and we prolong the line to the other side. Like that. Then now we lift this distance from B to the center. We mark it to the other side. So that this one becomes B triple prime. Then again, we do the same for C. We join C to the center, and we prolong it to the other side. Then now we measure that distance, because I can see these are 2 units. We are moving 2 units to this side, so that this becomes our C triple prime. So this is our C triple prime. So now we can join A to B triple primes. So this is going to be a straight line. Then again, from B to C triple prime, and finally C to A. Therefore, the triangle after the enlargement will just come to this other side. Therefore, the triangle ABC becomes ABC triple prime on this other side. So after the enlargement, we are finally told again to draw or to find the single transformation which maps triangle A triple prime, B triple prime, C triple prime to the first image. So the last image to the first image. Which transformation will map this triangle to this one? And we can see that this last image, to become the first image, we need to reflect along line the x-axis, y equals to 0. So it is a reflection along y equals 0, because we can see B joined to the mirror line, then an equal distance to the other side, C to the mirror line, equal distance to the other side, then A, because it is already on the mirror line, it just remains there. Therefore, the transformation which maps the triple prime to the single prime will be a reflection, mirror line, x-axis, or rather mirror line, y equals to 0. Thank you for following this lesson. Remember to subscribe and to share the link with your friends. Thank you.